Hi everyone, welcome to Learn with Hassan. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can upload football highlights on YouTube without having to worry about copyright issues. So sometimes you go to YouTube, you see a whole lot of videos being uploaded about or on football highlights, and they are getting tons of views. For example, this channel over here is getting a whole lot of views, and then every month it makes around $400 to $6,000. YouTube, you can do same, but it's not easy as you think. You know, when you just copy someone's video and put it out there, YouTube is going to block it, and they probably might, take down your channel. So this is the reason why I'm doing this video, so that if you are interested in uploading, highlight videos or football highlight videos, then this video is for you. So without wasting my time, all the things that we'll be needing is your clips and where to download the clips and how to edit it, and then how to upload all the clips that you edit. So without wasting my time, let's start the video. So first of all, we can upload, or we can download the videos from a whole lot of places, being YouTube itself, being Facebook, Twitter, which is X. But on YouTube itself, when you download it and you edit it and upload it back, it becomes very difficult because YouTube doesn't allow that, and you have to work a lot before you can be able to upload videos that you downloaded from YouTube itself. So first of all, what you do have to do is you go onto Facebook, and then when you go to Facebook, this search bar here, you type in maybe the player's name, maybe Kopama goals, like this. Then you search. So after searching, you have these search results here. Then you come down to this side, which is videos. Then you click on videos. So after clicking on videos, you will see a whole lot of videos on Kopama goals, and then you decide to choose the one that you want. So maybe you go in for this one. If you go in for this one, you go to this three dots over here, you click on it, and then it will give you a link like this. Okay, copy link. So you click on to copy the link. After you have copied the link, you go to a certain website called savefrom.net. This is the website, and then you paste your link over here. But make sure this menus here, you selected Facebook, because you copied the link from Facebook. If you select a different thing, it wouldn't work. So make sure you selected from Facebook. So wherever you copied the video from, if it is Twitter, if it is YouTube itself, you select that menu, and then you paste the link. So we selected Facebook because we copied the link from Facebook. So let me paste it here. So as you see, the video is ready for us to download over here. So you click on download. This is how you download the video from Facebook. And the same thing applies to X, which is Twitter. So when you come to Twitter and you see a video that you want to download, you come to this button here which says share. You click on it, and then you copy the link here. So you come to savefrom.net, and then you make sure Twitter is selected here. Then you paste in your video, and as you can see, the Twitter video too is ready here. So you can download it by clicking on download button over here. So this is how you download the video. So after you are done downloading all the videos that you would like to use, the next thing is to use an editor to edit your videos. So this is what you do. You go and open your editor. Any editor that you are using will be okay. You can use any editor that you want. So for me, I'm using Camtasia, and you can use any other editor. So after the video has been downloaded, you make sure you import your video into the editor. So import your video. This is the video I want to edit. So let me bring it onto the canvas here. Now you can see my video is here on the canvas. So after that, what you do is you make sure you cut it not more than 7 seconds. So this is what you do. You make sure you move the cursor a little bit like this, So you start from here. You make the cursor a little bit like this, and then you make sure you cut it. You cut from here, then you move to the next one, like this, and then you cut that one too, and you go here, you cut this one too, you cut this one too. So you keep on doing this till you finish all the video. So as you see, when I hover my cursor, this one is 3 seconds, and this one is 4 seconds here. This one is 4 seconds. This one too is 4 seconds. This one too is 4 seconds. Keep on doing this till the video is done. So after you are done with the cutting, you make sure you reshuffle everything. Don't leave it like that. Make sure you reshuffle everything. So this one can come here, and this one comes here. This one too can come here, and this one comes here, and you bring this one here, then you bring this one here. Here, the motive is to, remix, like you reshuffle everything from how it's, or from the original way, and then reshuffle it to be, you are making it your own. So after that, you can again put in something here. Go to annotation, let me add text here. So you can also add text here. So this is a text, maybe you can add learn with Hassan here, like this, and then maybe I'll bold it, and maybe I'll stretch it like this, stretch it. Here the motive is to, do something that will make the video, look different from the original video. So after that, you come here, then you reduce the opacity a bit like this, so that the video will stand out. And then maybe let me do it like this. Yeah, I think it's okay. And after that, you can as well, put in maybe your logo over here, or maybe you can try to do something that is making the video looks different from the original video. So after that, make sure you don't have any logo on your video, like EPL logo, or maybe Euros logo. So make sure you remove all logos from the competition out of the video. Also the scoreboard too, you should take it off from the video. And again, all the areas that are zoomed in, you make sure all those parts are cut off from the videos or the clips, so that you be able to maneuver your way around the copyright problems or copyright claims. And after that, you can add your logo to the video. At least you must make the video personal to you. You understand? You must make the video stand out from the original video. So you can add your logo to the video. So after you are done with this, you export your video here by clicking export, and then you write the name of your video, and then you save the video, or you export the video. If you follow closely what I'm telling you here, you will be able to upload any video of your choice when it comes to sports or football, highlights. You can upload any video, and you will not find yourself in a copyright issue on YouTube. So if you don't have a channel yet and you are thinking of creating one, this video here will pass you through the step-by-step process of creating a channel for your own self, and making videos like what I've just shown. So consider watching this video and thank me later. Thanks for watching.